Hi guys, my name is Olivia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it is the 4th of July today, as you can see I'm a little patriotic. And we're just gonna do a little day in the life vlog of 4th of July because we are currently in Long Beach, California, and we're gonna go to the beach, chill out, but it is currently like 9 in the morning, so we're gonna go get like breakfast, brunch sort of thing, then we're gonna go chill at the beach, maybe do lunch, dinner, and then fireworks. So yeah, let's go. What did you get?
I got chilaquiles. Chilaquiles.
John, what did you get?
Shrimp and grits.
Okay, so I just got back from brunch. It is currently 11:29. I just changed it into my swimsuit, packed my beach bag, and then I also just put on sandals that I can like get sandy and get dirty. So now we are all ready to go to the beach and I will see you there. Look at all the water kites. I think that's what they're called. They're like in like the air. It's crazy. The waves are definitely not hitting it as they would do in other parts of Cali, but it's fine because like at least I'm here. I love being at the beach. I love it so much. I'm currently in the bathroom, clearly, and I look disgusting. I feel disgusting. That cannot be happening, so let's go shower. Okay, so we're back in my room. I just changed into like literally the exact same outfit that I had on earlier. I just have to go ahead and put my bandana to right here back into my hair. I'm probably gonna braid a piece, put some beads in it, you know, something super cute. But there's currently a fire truck sitting outside my house. I don't really know why it's there. Or not my house, the house I'm staying in. But I don't really know what's there. And then there's like a fire truck, like paramedic truck that like drove by. I don't know what's there. Something happened. And I am really concerned. Because it's, you know. But we don't really have any plans right now. So we're pretty much just chilling out. And yeah. Okay, so we're back at the beach for sunset. I just filmed some like little beach TikTok videos that had nothing to do with the 4th, but we made it here for like the sunset. I did get pictures before the actual sun went down, so I couldn't get it on video because I was literally running and I couldn't like take a video without being super shaky. It's already shaky right now because like I'm walking, but the sunset is still super cute. So yeah, I think we're gonna go back to the house and then wait until fireworks start.